Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on helpful Shopify tutorials, e-commerce tips, and automation guides to grow your online business. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust taxes and duties settings in your Shopify store. With ease, we'll walk through this process step by step to ensure you have a smooth experience managing your store's financial settings. Taxes can feel complicated at first, but Shopify gives you the tools to handle them efficiently, whether you're selling locally or internationally. Alright, let's dive in. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Shopify homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log in to your Shopify account if you haven't already done so. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Shopify dashboard. This is your store's command center, where all your business operations, from inventory to analytics, are managed. Next, look to the lower left corner of your screen and find the Settings option. Click on it to access the various settings available for your store. Once you've opened the Settings menu, locate the Taxes and Duties section and click on it. This area focuses specifically on how taxes and duties are managed for your products and transactions. Shopify provides several options to configure how your taxes are calculated, charged to customers, and reported. Depending on your business location, you can set up automatic tax rates, manual overrides, or region-specific rules to ensure accuracy and compliance. If you sell internationally, enabling collect duties and import taxes at checkout can simplify customs handling and prevent surprise charges for your customers. Within the Taxes and Duties section, direct your attention to the Tax Service option and give it a click. This takes you further into settings that dictate how you want your store to handle taxes. You can choose to use Shopify Tax for US merchants or third-party tax providers that automatically calculate rates based on your customer's location. Next, you'll want to head over to Global Settings. Here, you have the opportunity to uncheck any configurations you may want to adjust. This is useful if you wish to change existing tax applications and ensure they align with your current business practices. For example, if you've recently expanded into new regions or added new product categories. Always review your store's tax registration numbers before saving. Shopify will apply the correct rules only if your tax IDs are properly entered. Having taken care of your tax settings, let's switch gears and head back to the main dashboard by clicking the Dashboard button. Now, navigate over to Online Store, shown on the left-hand column. Click on it, and you'll arrive at a new set of options specific to the design and content of your online store. Once on your online store page, look for an icon that resembles three vertical dots, often called the More Options button. Click on it to display more editing features for your store. Next, you're going to select Edit Default Theme Content from the drop-down that appears. This option allows you to tailor the text and labels used across your store's theme, ensuring your store's messaging is consistent and clear for customers. In this section, spot a search icon on the upper right side of your screen and click it. This tool will help streamline your workflow by allowing you to find specific settings you're looking to adjust. Go ahead and type taxes into the search bar and see what pops up. You will be redirected to a section where you can manage how taxes are labeled on your store, and you should see an option titled Taxes Label. Click on that and modify the text so that it conveys tax-free if that aligns with your business model. This step is especially helpful for stores offering tax-inclusive pricing or tax-free promotions in specific regions. When editing this text, make sure your messaging matches your pricing model. If you display tax-free, ensure your prices truly include or exclude taxes accordingly to avoid customer confusion. Lastly, while you're still in this management section, also include any relevant details about checkout, shipping duties, and taxes options. These options ensure that throughout a customer's purchase journey, they're provided with accurate information related to shipping, duties, and taxes. This not only prevents misunderstandings, but also builds trust and transparency, which are vital in e-commerce. If you're using Shopify Markets, this section can also help you customize how duties and taxes appear for different countries or regions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed the tax settings within your Shopify store to suit your business needs. If you operate across multiple countries, it's wise to periodically review your tax rules every quarter. Tax laws and rates can change, and staying updated ensures compliance and accurate reporting. Thanks for watching, and happy selling! If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step Shopify tutorials that help you streamline your store and scale your business the smart way.